back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Ndloso does a good deed but gets punished for it. Lihle started her first day of punishment and Ntuthuko asks his mother uncomfortable questions. Mathubela makes an effort and impress Hloge on Tuesday. Kgopolo is forced to go back down and Mthunzi step up his game against Semide. Ntuthuko discovers the truth and confront the guilty parties. Mathubela oversteps boundaries again and has to be checked on Wednesday. Mthunzi set his plan in motion, confident that Semide will fall for his tricks. Madlomo discovers one more thing her husband kept from her. Initially, reservations are put to bed on Thursday. Kgopolo proves to be the master of deception when dealing with an adversary. Ntuthuko confronts his father with an assumption he cannot bear, leading to a moment of sudden violence on Friday. The game of lies goes a step further when a fresh persona is crafted to bring Semide back into control. Lihle is left reeling when she hears about Dintle's true intentions. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Come back to